Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the Diecast Toyota Supra. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, the Diecast scale model of Toyota Supra Mk5. Just look at the legendary iconic beauty. Oh, we can see a driver inside. Guys, this car comes with amazing decal. Sport. Super Performance AM Sport. Also, it has two openable doors. Just look at it. Wow. It also has a well detailed interior inside. Just look at the detailing and quality of it. It has a left-hand drive steering. This car comes with pullback action feature. Let's test it. Oh. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to at least your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell button to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.